Hello and welcome to today's video here on Cash Fixes Cars. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace your front and rear windshield wipers on your Mazda CX5. You don't need any tools to do this, but there are a few things that will make it easier, and this video is going to show you the entire process so you could do this at home. On these CX5s, it's nice and easy to put your wipers up, so you could do that without any service mode or anything like that. You could take your wipers off right here, and to do that, there's this button right here that you're gonna press in and pull your wiper. I'm having trouble pressing it with just my thumb here, which is why sometimes it's helpful to use a tool. All right, so now I have this tool. You could use something like this or a screwdriver, but all you need is something to press in the wiper here. I'm gonna put this towel here so I don't accidentally hit this metal into the windshield and break it, but we're just gonna press this down and pull our wiper outwards like that, and the wiper will come right off. Then we could get our replacement wiper blade. I have these wiper blade kits linked down below on Amazon, so you could get them quickly, easily, and convenient. Let's put this on. This wiper blade kit is styled like OEM, so it's still got the button there, and the thing you need to note is these protectors right here need to come off before you get your wiper in place. If you don't take that off, you'll scratch up your windshield and your wipers won't work. To install your wiper, push this up into place, and then push it forward and it'll click. And that's all there is to it. Now let's do the other ones. It's gonna be the same thing over here, but on this side, since that's farther away, I'm gonna go ahead and lift this up. Once again, not a bad idea to put something there just in case that falls down. So to remove this, we're gonna use our tool here, press that button in, and slide the wiper right out. To reinstall our new one, we're gonna get this right here and just click it into place. Then we could put that back down and this is good to go. Let's go do the back. The first thing we have to do is remove this cover here, which prevents the wiper from lifting up. To do that, you're gonna get your fingers in here and spread the cover out like that. And it will come up and out of place. You could see that those fingers in there go into those holes. And now that'll lift right up. Now to remove this wiper here, we're gonna tilt it like this, and then pull it right out of place there. You can see that there's that bar in there that hooks in right here. To install our new wiper, we're gonna do the same thing. Make sure it's going the right way, so make sure the bigger part is facing that way. We're gonna get this in here, rotate it down into place, and it'll lock right in. Then we could put this down and reinstall our clip here. And that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, let us know down below. And once again, I have wiper blades linked down there. Good luck replacing your wipers.